profit, which you would have hit in less than 2 hours. This type of trading is intended to be a short-term strategy to take profits, and even though we're trading with the trend in this case, we aren't riding the trend, so don't stay in the trend and end up losing your profits. Head and shoulders. Another way to profit from the fakeouts that occur is by looking for patterns on the charts. The most effective patterns to use are the head and shoulders patterns, as you can use the neckline to profit from the fakeouts that occur. To clarify this, let's just use some examples. Looking at the chart above, we see a head and shoulders pattern has occurred. To most traders, this is an indication that the currency will break out above the neckline. In this case, and in many cases, the breakout was actually a fake out, and as those traders are losing out, you can successfully trade the fading breakout. In this case, you'd place your sell order a few pips below the neckline, with a stop 20 to 30 pips above it. Again, you'd set a take profit to 2 times your stop, and in this case, you would have made 63 pips in about 2 hours. This chart pattern also works for longer trades when the conditions are reversed. The head and shoulders are on the top. Of course, in that case, you'd enter your long trade a few pips above the neckline with your stop 20 pips below it. Double top and double bottom. The next chart pattern that can be used to trade the fading breakout is the double top or double bottom patterns. Again, to many traders, these patterns are an indication of a breakout about to occur, and in this case, we're going to use it to trade opposite the breakout. Let's just look at an example to trade the fading breakout using double tops or bottoms. Looking at the chart above, a double bottom has occurred. Again, we draw the neckline and use that as a basis for a trade. It looks like the currency pair is about to break out above the neckline. In this case, we place our sell order a few pips below the neckline with our stop 20 to 30 pips back of it. We set our take profit to 2 times the stop loss that we set upon entry and wait for the order to close. In the case of the order above, you would have made 60 pips in less than 3 hours. Other market conditions and trading the fade. Another way to trade the breakout fade is when you're using channels. This is often referred to as range trading, but the concept is exactly the same. Looking at the chart below, the US dollar Japanese yen has been trading within a 120 pip range. If we could show the whole chart, it's actually been doing this for a few days. By drawing a horizontal channel and trading within that range, we can make a bunch of smaller trades to capitalize on the current price movement. As shown by the lines drawn, the price is bouncing between 2 lines. As the price nears the top line, we can make a sell trade and take profits as the currency makes its way back to the bottom line. As it nears and touches the bottom line, we can go long and profit again. In the chart shown above, you would have made 3 profitable trades before the actual breakout occurs. Even if you had taken the last signal and made a losing trade, 3 out of 4 trades means an excellent profit for the 20-hour period shown. When trading the channel, you should adjust your stops and take profits according to the range you are trading in. For example, if the currency pair is moving in a 120 pip range, then setting a take profit of 60 pips may mean you miss out. If you entered the trade 10 pips above the bottom line, you would want to exit 10 pips below the top line. That way, you'd make 100 pips profit with each bounce, and most importantly, you can continue to do so until the real breakout occurs. For a stop, you could use 15 to 40 pips from the sideways trend line. Just be sure to leave yourself enough breathing room so that you aren't stopping out before the reversal actually occurs. As long as your take profit is at least 2 times the stop you are using, you should be okay. There you have it. By now, we have given you 2 complete trading methodologies focusing on 2 different scenarios that commonly occur on all currency pairs. Combining them with a proper position sizing model, and you'll literally have the key to the kingdom, so to speak. The truth is, from these first 3 free trading videos, I hope you realize the hidden common thread that runs through all the training videos so far. You see, there's an actual formula behind the long-term success of all the pros in this industry. Here it is. MACAS plus MM equals LTP. I realize that formula means nothing to you now because you don't know what the letters in the formula stand for. But I can absolutely guarantee that once I tear this formula apart for you and show you how to use it, you'll instantly know 10 times more about how to actually make it in this Forex industry than any proclaimed expert out there. Period. Okay, enough teasing. Here's what the letters stand for. Market and Currency Adjustable Systems plus Money Management equals long-term profits. See what I mean? The first element you need to have is a suite of flexible trading systems. Each one is designed specifically for a particular market condition and for only a few particular currency pairs. Plus, and this one is crucial, guys, you must have a way to discern which conditions the markets are in, and therefore aptly adjust your strategies to suit that condition. And the definitely best way to do that is through some kind of market condition detecting algorithm or plugin like those coded in the Forex Sublime Champion systems. As covered in detail before, the second element is obviously proper money management strategies, most preferably utilizing the P+3X model, which has been proven to be the most consistently effective. On our coming free training webinar, we will discuss the universal formula in great detail and show you how to use it for maximum profits. If you haven't secured your spot on the training yet, here's the link to do so: www.sublimeforexchampions.com/webinar. We will also give you an overview, as well as demonstrate live on real-time markets how the trading systems inside our Sublime Champion training program gives you all the elements and fulfills all the requirements for attaining long-term profits. First, we will cover how these custom systems perfectly complement each other, in the sense that with each of them being developed to work flawlessly on a certain market scenario, when we combine all of them together, they cover a whole range of every market scenario one can be in. Second, we're going to talk about how the algorithm within our systems empowers you to determine which conditions the markets are in, and then to impeccably switch from one strategy to another strategy that work better in that particular condition. Third, you'll learn how our P+3X money management model fulfills the final element. And with this last element, all pieces of the puzzle finally fall into place and you'll get the winning formula. This will be the most exciting training event of the year, and this will also be highly interactive because we take your questions and answer them all live on the webinar. So please don't forget to reserve your seat at www.sublimeforexchampions.com/webinar. All right, that's it for now. I've had a really fun time making these videos and interacting with you guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and be on the lookout for my next videos.